Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, if you guys could please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys could leave a comment down below, even better. Super helps the channel out. It is Tuesday morning, it's bright and early. We're back in the shop. We have another busy week. Finally, the 2016 Ford Fiesta is pretty much done. I had a couple hours yesterday finally, and I was able to get it all buffed and polished out after the color sanding. So we still have to insert the headlight bulbs, clear the SRS light, and of course do a couple little small touch-ups. Other than that, this thing is ready to go. So I'm gonna be excited to get this thing out of here. Like I said, it never really hit the schedule, so it's been kind of just picking away at it between things. So it's a pretty big job to be picking away at between things, because that was a full collision repair, you know, with airbags and seatbelt retractors and everything. So anyways, we also have the coupe sitting in this bay. Now I don't really have it sitting here for a particular reason, but I did pick up a fuel filter. I am having fuel level sending unit problems. I believe it's just the sending unit because this vehicle sat empty for so long, so many years. So I'm wondering if I'm getting false readings up and down. Sometimes it'll show an accurate reading, and then 2 minutes later it's just pegged full, even though I might be sitting at a quarter tank of fuel. So I've of course still have to change out the sender. I tried to do a repair on it already. I thought it worked, and then ended up pegging fuel full again. So anyways, I kind of figured, well, I have one in my parts car, so I'm going to yank that out at some point. But I thought of it the other day. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and change the fuel filter while I'm at it too, because this vehicle has been sitting for so long and I hadn't changed the fuel filter yet. So picked up one of those. I also have a new PCB valve. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a shot, because on a cold start this thing likes to smoke a little bit. If you start driving it while it's still a little bit cold, she smokes a little bit more than I'd like it to. But once it warms up and I'm driving full throttle, full boost, this thing doesn't smoke at all. So can't possibly be rings or anything like that. I didn't rebuild the bottom end, but I did go through the top end. I did lap the valves and do valve stem seals and all that good stuff. Of course the turbo's new. But yeah, I was getting a little more smoke than I'd like to admit on a cold start. So I'm hoping the PCB valve might help that a little bit. If not, it could just be the angle of my return line. That could be getting some oil buildup inside the turbo, and that could be what's burning out as I start to take off. So I might have a little bit of too much oil going through the turbo, I guess you could say. I better maybe check the size of my restrictor, etc. But anyways, not sure when I'm going to get to putting those in. I don't think I have any time today. If I do get a half hour or so, maybe I'll throw those parts in. The goal today is to get the Fiesta done and out of here. I just have probably about another hour left of a couple little things to do left, and then I'll go ahead and give it a test drive down the road, and we'll get it parked outside and get it out of here. So we also have a pretty new Toyota RAV4, and this vehicle actually got in a little bit of a fender bender the other day, and you can see the rear hatch. It's got a dent in it. It probably hit the rear bumper. Yep, it did. And it's probably bent the rebar. And a lot of times the plastic bumper covers will just pop back out. So there is some damage back there. And this is this vehicle was purchased brand new by the owner, and they absolutely love it. Let's see what year it is. It is a 2021. So it's a 2021 RAV4. So when they did that, they got hit and they had coffee, and the coffee went all over the inside of the car. So we are pretty slammed this month, so they're going to go ahead and take this repair somewhere else to get fixed. But I did tell them while they were on a little bit of a trip that I could get the inside detailed up. So that's going to be a part of the insurance. You can see the coffee residue there. So we are going to go ahead and get the interior detailed, and that's going to be covered by insurance. So let's dip inside the spray booth, guys. All right. Inside the spray booth, we have a 2015 Kia Forte rear bumper cover. Let me pull out my cell phone here. It looks like it's just solid black, but it's definitely not. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's got like a rainbow sparkle in it. So anyways, it's a pretty black color. So we also have the lower half of the bumper, which is remains textured. So we'll be installing that on Friday. We also have a 2012 Toyota Camry rear bumper cover. This is a replacement bumper cover. We'll be installing that on Thursday. So this is just solid white 040 Toyota. So nothing crazy, but we have that bumper cover refinished. We went ahead and put white epoxy primer on this, black epoxy primer on that. Then we colored this white, then we colored that black, and then we went ahead and clear coated them at the same time. Now you can see I did the black one second, and the black one is downwind of the spray booth. So there's no way the black overspray was gonna get down here on our white bumper cover, but if we would have the roles reversed, you would have seen white, black specks on, or white specks on the black bumper or vice versa. So it's a little bit of strategy to position the parts while you're spraying them when you're doing 2 colors at a time. We also have an Infiniti G37 front bumper cover. We're still awaiting the grille and the bumper retainer brackets as well. So when those get here, we'll be getting that job in. We also have another Infiniti QX60, I believe. It's an SUV. That's coming in for a rear hatch and a rear bumper repair. So got 2 Infinitis on the list, guys. So there you have it. Pretty much we got Mikey coming in today. He's gonna probably bring the GSR. We're probably gonna do some exhaust modifications on that and try to work on some of that window trim. I'm gonna spend the next hour or so doing some final touch-ups and some little bit of detailing on the Ford Fiesta and try to get this done and out of the shop and ready for pickup. And then I'm also going to try to at least get the interior of that RAV4 blown out and vacuumed out thoroughly. That way, when I do get some time, I believe I won't have any time until Friday to detail it, but they want to pick it up Friday too. So I figured if I could just get a good hour of blowing and vacuuming and getting all the stuff out of that vehicle, it would make Friday's detail extremely easy, especially since we have that 2015 Kia Forte coming in, and I got to replace the bumper on that as well, and we'll be doing that first thing in the morning. So that might eat up the morning a little bit, and then it'll give me just enough time to hop over on the Toyota RAV4 and to get that thing detailed. So main focus today, get this out of here. We got Mike's GSR coming in. We're gonna pick away at that still. We're continuing with that until we're hoping springtime to have pretty much the main things all finalized so it can finally come out to some meets and you know, set some trends. So anyways, what else do we got? That's the main focus for today. We also have a, I believe a 2021, let me see here, what year is it? We have a 2020 Subaru Wrx coming in. The customers installed their own fog lights, but we're kind of not comfortable with, I guess, wiring the fog lights up. So they're gonna drop that off, I believe, early this morning, and we'll go ahead and get that in the shop. Probably get that on the lift, so we'll get my car out of the way, and we'll go ahead and get those wired up for them. We also have a Ford van coming in for a inspection, and that's about it, guys. So I appreciate all you guys watching. Get at me if you guys want some stickers. I got some Nitro Autolab decals, some slap stickers. We have hats, beanies, trucker hats, dad hats, shop tees, shop hoodies, you name it. We got some more stuff coming too. I'm gonna get some stuff ready for spring, maybe a couple new designs. So appreciate all the love, support on the channel. I love all the comments, so I appreciate it. Keep those comments coming. Please like the videos. All the comments kind of let me know who's watching and what you guys are liking. So the weather's gonna warm up here soon. We'll be out doing some car meets, car runs. We'll be doing some cruises, some rallies, some car shows. We'll be out adventuring. We'll do some fun vlogging as well. We'll be out on the boat having fun. We'll do some vlogging then. We'll be doing some road trips. We'll be vlogging then. So Anyways, guys, have a good week. I will check in probably later this week with you guys. So like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron though, or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.